So this time we're going to be working on doing the Korean set. So with the Korean set, there again, you have to be able to use your visualization part. You've ever had anyone to punch at you? Okay, you have to visualize that. So if you're working this without a partner, then this is like a kata. So the motion is I step not just out to the side, but I step forward on a 45-degree angle, and I now knife hand block. From here, that person is coming across, so I wheel kick towards this. I grab their arm and wheel kick. I step forward, I strike in towards the groin and then towards the back. Step over, turn 45-degree angle. Block to their arm, I come up, hook kick, here, I come back around, loading the hand behind me. Now I don't want to get the hand here, I want to pull the elbow back and load. I come back, lift, and then I'm in fighting guard. So the application of the technique, this is a straight punch into the solar plexus. Punch, I make the block, so I stepped out of the line. I grab, I kick towards the stomach. I come in, strike to the groin and back. I move at a 45-degree angle. Block to the arm, grab, I come in, hook kick to the stomach. I come back. I'm using my elbow to clear her arm up and stand her up. I come here, take down, and back. And this is the Korean set.